How to start a Walmart return without a receipt. Hey everybody. If you guys are wondering how to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you step by step. So, if you'd like to start a Walmart return without a receipt, the thing is you will need to present a valid government issued photo ID for that. If the purchase was made online, you can often initiate a return through the Walmart app. For that, once you are into the app, go to your account tab once you are logged in and go to your purchase history. And once you are there, you can look out for a Walmart return. But in order to return it, you need to have to verify your ID information if you do not have a receipt, as it can be against your records to ensure to smooth return process. So you can just head over and initiate that process. If you're on store as well, you need to show your valid government issued photo identification. Then they will accept your return if your identification information matches with the one stored in their secure database in their store. So you can just go ahead and do so and then exchange the item with another item. Get a Walmart gift card. If available, you can send the item to the manufacturer to repair, and that way you can just go ahead and start a Walmart return without even a receipt. So that is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.